So this homeowner here had an addition put on, and this area here was never flashed properly. So I asked my siding guy, or my roofing crew, to remove all this siding here and get it all properly flashed here. It had been leaking for a couple years now, so we'll get that all watertight. Looks like we're struggling with some decking here. Lots of 1x6s here that are being replaced. It's just old and deteriorated. Standard on all our jobs is a full system warranty. This one here is backed by CertainTeed, a 5-star. So that means all components need to be installed with the CertainTeed name on the wrapper. So we are installing 6 feet of ice and water along this entire eave. And then after that 6 feet, we're installing synthetic, which is also backed by CertainTeed. And then shortly thereafter, we'll get all of the shingles rolling. This here's the starter course. And with it being hot, it's sticking. But this tears apart here. You lay this along the eaves before you shingle here. You can actually see a course of the starter here. So the starter's laid down. We make sure to overlap the eave here with the ice and water. We lay down the starter course and then we start shingling. Separate of that, we've got a new fully functioning skylight that's solar powered, both opening and closing. It also has I can't think of the name, a room darkening shade that's also solar powered. And then here we're looking at a brand new chimney flashing that we're flashing. This will be all new aluminum here. This will be a new lead pipe boot here. We're off to the races. So this will be a 2-day install here, but progress is going great so far.